A local school social worker was recently awarded the Friend of the Mental Health Award from the state's Mental Health Association.
News 10's Payton Cavanaugh bringing us the emotional story of her life's work and impact.
When I first met Karen Drossel, I was greeted with letters from students, faculty, and parents about just how much of an impact she's made in her work. But in getting to know Karen and her story, I learned that a life of compassion has always been her mission.
When I was in 5th grade, my mother was diagnosed with cancer. And I really needed a trusted adult, and I had that person in the nurse.
Karen has worked as the school social worker for the Caro-Durham district for 18 years, but she's been an advocate for mental health her entire life.
I've always focused on meeting people where they're at and helping them use their voice if they are not able to for themselves.
As a child, Drossel's home life was constantly shifting. She was adopted when she was just over a year old and grew up with an alcoholic father and a mother who was sick.
I learned what it's like to have those challenges, and I wouldn't have gotten through school without a trusted adult.
And now, she's become that person for countless students.
She really changed my life.
Allie Barnett recently graduated high school and went through a traumatic loss.
My aunt, a few years ago, we ended up losing her because she committed suicide.
Barnett said that school was the last place she wanted to be.
I would always want to get away.
That was until she met Karen Drossel.
There were people there that were there to support me, and I wasn't going through it alone.
Drossel hosts several school clubs, including Suicide Prevention Club and Gay Straight Alliance, and she brings kids to the Capitol each year for Mental Health Matters Legislative Day.
She's there for the students.
Lillian Dauphin is just one of many students whose lives were forever changed by Drossel.
I haven't always had the best kind of mental health. I never liked to put it out there. I never liked to ask for help. With Miss Drossel, I know I can ask for help.
While Drossel was grateful for receiving the award, it was the recognition from students that mattered most.
I had a student who unfortunately had lost his mom, and he did earn all his credits, but he wasn't going to actually attend graduation, and I let him know after all the hard work he had put in that he really might regret it if he didn't actually cross the stage. And at graduation afterwards, when I went up to congratulate him, he told me that he only came because of me.
Looking back on a career of compassion, I asked her what she would say to her younger self.
You're gonna get through all this, and someday you're really gonna make a difference.
What a story.
And such an impact she's had.
Yeah, absolutely. And now if you or somebody you know is struggling with any kind of mental health problems or issues at all, know that there's certainly help and resources available. Just head to news10.com. We've got more information waiting for you right there.